Okay, we've got some images placed. I got a basic headline on there, All-Star Readers. This video, I want to very quickly talk about some other text effects because it's pretty easy to think, oh, if my fonts are better, if I have a more flashy whatever, it's going to look better. It might. Canva gives you a lot of options, and I'm going to run you through a couple. The more time you have to play with it, you might find something that's kind of fun and beneficial. Now, the main thing to keep in mind with an info board is you're presenting to a judge, and one, they've got to be able to read it if that's what that's the reason you've got it on there, right? And two, it needs to add something and be within the theme, the scope of what it is you're talking about. So consider those things. So for instance, what I've got here, it's okay. It gets the job done. But if you go to the text box, notice that's just a plain old text box. And you can change the fonts up here. You can change the sizes and all that. You can add some basic effects. You can do some animations there. But also they have these kind of cool effects over here, like the typecraft, the text extrude, and some other things in there that allow you to kind of really play with things. In fact, I have not tried this, so I'm going to try it for the first time here. The type lettering, you just click open. You might have to retype what it is that you are doing, but it gives you options. So let's say I like this one. I'm just throwing it out there as an example. We're going to say All-Star Readers, and surely there's more colors than that. There we go. Let's go back to that. Add to design. It's going to pop it in there as something new. Yeah. There it is. And honestly, I like that better. So I'm going to get rid of my old one. Add this. Now, if that didn't match, if it kind of took away, if it was distracting from my info board presentation, then I would say don't use that. But in this case, that one's pretty cool. Like I said, there's a lot of things in there. Also, these down here, these are preset for different things. And as you scroll through these, you might find something that looks pretty cool. With any of these, it's going to pop in exactly what you see, and then you will have to change the wording once it's in. Like this. You get the point. I don't like this one as much. I think that one kind of takes away from the effect. But that is entirely up to you, right? It's your info. It's your thing. You might get shot down by Jewel or Sweeney. I might mock you mercilessly, but it's worth a shot, right? Don't throw away your shot. So that's some stuff on fonts. Play around with that. You might find some really cool things. And next video, I will show you how to download to print.